truck? That's laughable. Not really. It is attainable. You have to do it on purpose, and you have to sacrifice. It's called sacrifice. So, first of all, let's define a millionaire. A millionaire is not a person who makes $1 million, not necessarily. A millionaire is defined by a person who has $1 million in assets. $1 million, whether it is in real estate, cash, stocks, retirement plans. The assets add up to $1 million with zero debt. So you have to be debt free, and you have assets that's worth at least $1 million. That makes you a millionaire. So how can a truck driver become a millionaire? Like I say, you have to do it on purpose, intentionally, and it would take some sacrifices. Solo drivers, probably not so. I mean, you could do it. It just take longer. Times not like they were back in the day when you could run all the miles you want to. But a team, husband and wife team, running, especially owner operator, husband and wife team. So sacrifice you gotta have. You can't have a bunch of debt. You don't actually need it. You shouldn't have any debt. Maybe a house payment. No car payments. No credit card payments. None of that stuff. So, for instance, you got a husband-wife team. Let me ballpark number, a good figure. It's easy attainable. Making $170,000 a year after expenses. So, you're on the road most of the time. Just say you live off $70,000. You take $100,000 a year and invest it. You invest it in a Roth IRA, mutual funds. You have to do multiple ones to invest $100,000 a year. You do that for 10 years with compounded interest. You will have $1,600,000 in the bank after 10 years. If you stop doing it after that 10 years and just let that $1,600,000 in the bank, after 10 years you will have $3,800,000 after 3 years. If you just stop there. And if you took that, leave that money invested, and you could live off of the interest at 10% interest. Even if it's just $1 million, you have an annual salary of $100,000. That's easy, but it takes commitment, and you have to do it on purpose. So any team, husband and wife, in 10 years can easily become a millionaire. Easily. Just do it.